Welcome back everybody to Fun Factor RC. My name is Wes and today we're going to take a look at the WLtoys A959B. Straight up unboxing. You get your regular red and black controller. Get the car itself. Comes with the regular tire tool and manual. The charger is always a nice 2S charger. These are not bad chargers. They're not the slowest charger out there. They work. These are safe for your battery. The car itself. Let's go straight to it and pull the pins. We all know about the remote. It's the same old 2-channel remote. Goes forward, goes backwards, turns left, turns right. It lets you adjust both of those things. Turns itself on. No, it does not turn itself on and off. You can turn it on and off with this button here. No frills, adjustable antenna. Oh, does have foam on the steering wheel. Big bonus there. Remove the cool little Lexan not so thin, seems halfway durable body. Of course, the B models sport these super huge 540 can motors. You cannot beat that in this little tiny car. It is just amazing. We clock these at 40 miles an hour and they love it. They do every bit of it. The battery, which is held in by a nice Velcro strap that we always love, is a 1500 milliamp 7.4 2-cell LiPo battery. The radio system is the 3-in-1 receiver servo ECS together. That's not the greatest thing in the world, but you know, that's how they keep the price of these toys down to where we can afford them and enjoy them. The car proportional steering left and right, and they are super fast and torquey. It was trying to balloon the tires out a little bit. I was hoping you guys could see this. And as with the other 979B, the 959B has double lock nuts on the wheels. That's got to tell you something. This is it for the tabletop part. We're going to run outside with this battery and put a GPS on it, get us a top speed, and see how it runs. Thanks everybody for watching my tabletop unboxing and review. Stay tuned for the next video where we run it. Thank y'all so much. Be safe.